Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best interlocking garage floor tiles that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Garage Floor Tiles, a 20-pack interlocking flooring solution designed to cover 34 square feet. These tiles feature a hard plastic construction, making them durable and versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. The drainage design is a standout feature, allowing water to flow through the tiles, making them ideal for garages, parking areas, basements, or even outdoor patios. The 15.7 x 15.7 inch dimensions offer good coverage per tile, and the vibrant blue color adds a bright, modern aesthetic to your space. In terms of design and build quality, these tiles are crafted from hard plastic, which ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The interlocking mechanism is simple to use, making installation quick and hassle-free without requiring special tools. However, the hard plastic material may not provide the same level of comfort underfoot as softer materials like EVA foam. The performance of these tiles is solid, especially in environments where drainage is needed. They're easy to clean and maintain, which is a big advantage for busy homeowners. While the price is not listed, these tiles are likely to appeal to those looking for durability and functionality over luxury. The main con here is the lack of detailed information on the load capacity or UV resistance. Overall, this is a great option for areas where water exposure is a concern or for outdoor setups. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Big Floors Garage Deck Coin Pattern Tiles. These tiles come in a pack of 48, each measuring 12 by 12 inches, and are constructed using durable copolymer material. The coin pattern surface is specifically designed for slip resistance, making these tiles a safe choice for garage or basement flooring. The modular, interlocking design allows for easy installation, so you don't have to worry about hiring a professional. The build quality of these tiles is impressive, thanks to the durable copolymer material that's resistant to cracking and wear. The coin pattern not only enhances slip resistance, but also adds a professional industrial aesthetic to the flooring. Despite these benefits, one drawback is the lack of explicit UV coating, which could make them susceptible to buckling if exposed to prolonged sunlight. When it comes to performance, these tiles are reliable under heavy loads and provide a stable surface for vehicles, tools, and equipment. They're easy to clean and maintain, making them an excellent choice for garages or workshops. However, the absence of detailed pricing information makes it harder to assess their value proposition. Overall, the garage deck tiles are ideal for homeowners or professionals looking for a durable, non-slip flooring solution with a clean, modern look. At rank number 3, we have the Big Floors Garage Track Diamond Tiles. These interlocking tiles come in a pack of 48 and measure 12 by 12 inches each. With a diamond pattern design, they offer excellent slip resistance and durability. Made from heavy-duty copolymer, these tiles are built to withstand significant wear and tear, making them an excellent choice for garages, workshops, or other high-traffic areas. In terms of design and build quality, the Garage Track Diamond tiles stand out with their rugged look and durable material. The interlocking mechanism is straightforward, ensuring a tight fit that doesn't shift under heavy loads. However, similar to the garage deck tiles, these lack explicit UV protection, which could pose a problem for outdoor use or areas with direct sunlight exposure. Performance-wise, these tiles excel in providing a stable and secure surface for vehicles and equipment. They're easy to install and clean, making them a low-maintenance choice for busy households or professionals. While the price isn't listed, the heavy-duty construction suggests that they're geared toward users who prioritize durability and function over cost. The lack of pricing transparency is a disadvantage, but overall, the Garage Track Diamond tiles are a solid pick for anyone seeking reliable, slip-resistant flooring. Our runner-up at rank number 2 is the Garage Floor Tiles from Boltworks. This pack of 48 tiles boasts a 40,000-pound load capacity, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. Made from impact-resistant polypropylene, these tiles are non-toxic and built to withstand significant rolling loads. The brick pattern surface ensures excellent slip resistance. while the UV coating prevents buckling under sunlight exposure, a thoughtful addition that sets these tiles apart from others on the list. The design and build quality are exceptional, with a robust snap lock mechanism that allows for tool-free installation in under 10 minutes. The polypropylene material is resistant to oil, stains, and water, making these tiles easy to clean and maintain. The 0.5-inch thickness provides a solid feel underfoot, and the black color offers a sleek, modern look suitable for garages, shops, and basements. Performance-wise, these tiles deliver on all fronts. The anti-slip surface and high load capacity make them reliable and safe for various uses, from parking vehicles to creating a workshop space. The UV coating is a game changer, ensuring durability even in areas exposed to sunlight. While pricing is not available, the advanced features and premium build quality suggest they're a worthwhile investment for serious users. Overall, Boldworks has created a top-notch product that balances functionality, durability, and style. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Pro Source Fit Puzzle Exercise Mat, a versatile option for both garage and home gym use. This pack includes 6 EVA foam tiles, each measuring 24 by 24 inches and covering a total of 24 square feet. With a half-inch thickness, these tiles provide excellent cushioning, making them perfect for exercise, floor padding for kids, or even creating a comfortable garage workspace. The interlocking design is simple and intuitive, allowing for quick setup without any tools. The design and build quality of these tiles are excellent. EVA foam is soft yet durable, offering both comfort and resilience. The gray color is neutral and understated, blending seamlessly into various environments. However, the foam material may not be as durable as hard plastic or polypropylene when subjected to heavy loads or sharp objects. In terms of performance and user experience, these tiles excel in providing a cushioned surface for activities that require comfort, such as workouts or play areas for kids. They're easy to clean and maintain, though they may not be the best choice for areas with heavy machinery or vehicles. At $131.99, the Pro Source Fit Puzzle Exercise Mat is reasonably priced for what it offers, making it an ideal option for home gym enthusiasts or parents looking for safe floor padding. The only downside is its limited applicability in heavy-duty garage settings. Overall, this product earns its top spot for its versatility, comfort, and value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.